Friends, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Today I discuss with you about the transit Venus and no transit visible and Kepler online resources. So let's start the discussion. Transit view of Venus. The Kepler mission is named for Johannes Kepler 1571 to 1630, who is an often honored as the first astrophysicist. He was German astronomer and mathematician, and whose laws of planetary motion were key discoveries in establishing modern science. Laws 1 and 2 shows that planetary orbits are elliptical and that the orbital speed of a planet varies according to its distance from Sun. Law 3 states the average distance semi-major axis of a planet from the Sun can be calculated from the planet year length. Today, Kepler mission scientists still use Law 3 to figure out how far an exponent is from its star. In 1627, Kepler published the Rudolph line tables, a star catalogue and tables of a planetary position, and first predicted of transits of Mercury 1631 and Venus 1639. Johannes Kepler did not live to see the transit, but others did. The Kepler mission uses transits to discover planets circling distant suns. Surely Johannes Kepler would be pleased and amazed. So here is one photograph. There is artist's depiction of the planet in our solar system. Compare the size of Venus with other planet. So this is the picture of Jupiter, Saturn. This is size. Now discuss the no transit visible point. Not everyone on Earth can view the transit of Venus in 2012. Do you live where the transit will not visible? You will be able to see many stars that are known to have planets. See the Kepler star wheel in the Kepler online resources. Using the telescope equipped with sensitive detectors, it is possible to make transit observation of a large Jupiter-sized planets in the Kepler search area. More than 100 exponents will be transiting their suns during the time that the transit of Venus is occurring in our solar system. To download the table of transiting planets, go to this website. There is one website information. You can download the transit from this website. So there is some important online resources here. You can collect Kepler online resource, learn more. So these are the website information. You can write down, or you can check the videos. You can pause the video and write down all the website information to know about more about the Kepler mission. So there are another important website. Here it is. You can write down this website information. And another website here, kepler.nasa.gov and www.nasa.gov/Kepler. So friends, thank you. In the next video I will give you some other information. Thank you.